Nehoa, hello, how are you doing? My name is Waidera Wanchiko from Kenya and I'm in the marketing team of Africa Center, Hong Kong. I'm here to invite you to the Afro-Multi activity Christmas camp that is going to happen on the 22nd to the 24th of December this year. And the main objective is not only having fun, but also educate kids of different ethnicities about African culture and connect people through activities regarding the kids. The first day is going to be performing arts. And on this day, we're going to have activities like drumming, dancing, storytelling. These kids will not only have fun, as I said before, but they're also going to get to build their own confidence, even tackling day-to-day life activity. At the end of the camping, the kids are going to receive a certificate of completion. And to get to know more about this, please scan the QR code and I'm hoping to see you there. Bye!